Hello and welcome to Eafinder Review. Are you ready to apply to the University of Johannesburg for the 2024-2025 academic session? In this video, we'll walk you through the steps and guidelines for UJ's online web application process. So, let's get started. First, did you know that applying online to UJ is completely free? That's right, no application fee is required. Let's dive into the steps to make your application process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Visit the UJ official website at www.uj.ac.za and click on the Admission plus Aid on the main menu. When you are on the admission page, kindly click on Apply Here if you are a new or a returning applicant. Simple, right? Step 2. On the UJ application portal, kindly select either Yes or No if you already have a student number or returning to finalize an incomplete application, and if you have a qualification token. Click Next after consenting to the rules to continue. Step 3. On the next page, fill out the application form with your personal details, nationality, and contact information like your street and residential address. When you are done, click the Save and Continue button to proceed. Choose your qualification study choices 1 and 2. Make sure you meet the admission requirements for these programs, which you can find in the UJ prospectus. Upload the necessary documents. Double-check all your details before submitting to avoid any errors. Isn't it great to know that the University of Johannesburg makes it easy and free to apply online? Here's a quick checklist to ensure you have everything ready. A valid email address, your latest school results, a scanned copy of your ID. If you've attended another higher education institution, a copy of your academic transcript. What happens after you've submitted your application? Wait for about 3 weeks before checking the status of your application. All official communication will be sent via email, so make sure to check your inbox regularly. Step 5. And what if you need to upload supporting documents later? No worries. You can log into the student self-service portal with your personal number and the first 6 digits of your ID to upload any missing documents. Step 6. So to recap, applying online to UJ is easy, free, and can be done in just a few steps. 1. Visit www.uj.ac.za. 2. Fill out the application form with your personal details, nationality, and contact information. Select your study choices and ensure you meet the requirements. 4. Upload the required documents. 5. Complete and submit the online application form. 6. Check your email for updates and further instructions. Ready to take the next step towards your future at the University of Johannesburg? Visit www.uj.ac.za today and start your application. Good luck, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button for more updates and information. See you next time.